Hi there, in this video I would like to share you how to install JioMeet in your PC. Just go to the website jiomeetpro.jio.com and select download Windows and save the file anywhere on your computer. After download, just open the file and install it. Click install now. Installation process is over. Just run the app. Click sign up. Enter your profile name, first name and second name. Now enter your mobile number. Sign up. Just enter the OTP which you are receiving in your mobile number. Click sign in. Over. This is the method you can use your JioMeet in your PC. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.